Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can delete an agent for good in your account on Dialogflow in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your account on Dialogflow and you will need to access your agent's settings. So to do that, select the agent first in top left, click into view agents here from the drop down menu, navigate to your agent. I'm going to use this one here, agent 2. Click into the gear icon and here you need to navigate to the general tab and scroll all the way down to the delete agent section. Just bear in mind guys that this action cannot be undone. So once you have clicked into this button and entered or typed the name, the exact name of your agent here, you will see the delete or confirm deletion or your request button here in the bottom right. Now I'm not going to do this. I would like to keep this agent, but after that your agent will be irreversibly removed from your account with all its intents, entities, queries, and the console, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.